Standard physics models suggest the universe is a massive, ancient piece of hardware. We assume this system has been running for 13.8 billion years, populated with trillions of habitable planets, essentially trillions of active servers. Based on those parameters, the math expects a network overflowing with activity. We should see the biological and technological expansion of countless civilizations. Instead, we get the Fermi Paradox. When we treat reality as a software application, those missing aliens transform from a terrifying mystery into a highly logical feature of strict resource management. Simulating billions of alien civilizations across trillions of stars is a computational nightmare. It would instantly melt down any theoretical processor. Theme engines solve this scale using a Skybox. As this celestial map peels back, you see how a 2D texture wraps around a playable area to fake infinite scale. Applied to deep space, distant galaxies are just a holographic backdrop, devoid of physical reality. This chart shows rendering on demand. The system only calculates high-detail environments when players look at them. Galileo's 1609 telescope forced a massive CPU spike to generate Jupiter's moons. In 2021, launching the James Webb telescope caused this towering spike to load new deep-field textures. The system actively refuses to waste processing power on environments we cannot physically interact with. There are no aliens. They haven't been rendered yet. If space is an illusion to save memory, we can shift our diagnostic from spatial rendering to chronological logs. We need to find the exact moment this system was switched on. Instead of a 13.8 billion year history, software logs track uptime. The simulation's data only becomes coherent at a 14th century boot sequence. Here, humanity began systematically decoding reality through science and art, finally making the simulation worth the resources to run. Of course, if reality started in the 1300s, you have to ask, how do we explain physical evidence? What about dinosaur fossils, deep geological rock strata, and the ruins of ancient Rome? Developers call it procedural backstory. Look at these three assets. Fossils and ancient architecture were generated instantaneously during the system boot. These artifacts act as causal anchors, allowing us to assume a vast history the system never actually had to simulate. Everything before the 14th century is dead data. Human history prior to the Renaissance is a brilliantly coded illusion generated to give our current experience a sense of depth. Within this framework, the Fermi Paradox evaporates. Aliens aren't hiding or extinct. The source code simply doesn't contain the instructions for them. This table compares our old assumptions with the simulation model. We move from the physical model of an empty universe to a hyper-focused simulation engine. In the right-hand column, Earth functions as the primary Sandbox server, the absolute center of the entire architecture. This is an Anthropic sandbox. It is a completely isolated, exclusive petri dish running active code solely for human observation. This model replaces the cosmic despair of being alone in a cold, indifferent void with a bizarre, almost terrifying form of cosmic narcissism. The universe operates as a bespoke, single-player theater built explicitly for us. The curtain only rose when we finally learned how to look at the stage, which leaves us with one final, lingering question. If humanity is the only active player in this custom-built simulation, what exactly is the objective of the game?